So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get into this screen, you have to turn off your computer and turn it back on 3 times. Now once you turn on your computer and then you see the Windows loading screen, you want to turn it off from the power button on your case or your laptop. And then you want to turn it on again and then turn it off again. Repeat this 3 times, which will then take you into this screen. It's going to say something like advanced options. You want to click on advanced options, which will then take you here. Then you want to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options again. And now we should be on this page. Now once you're on this screen, you have a bunch of options. First, we're going to try the system restore. You want to click on system restore, and then you want to choose your account, and then type in the password. And if you have a restore point, it should let you do it. Click on next, and then it should fix Windows for you. In my case, I do not have a restore point, so I'm going to click on cancel. And then click on troubleshoot again, and then click on advanced options. Now we're back on this page. Now if you can't do system restore, or if it did not fix your problem, now we're going to try doing startup repair. Now it's going to diagnose your PC, and hopefully this should work for you. Now this didn't work for me, so now for the third method, we're going to go to advanced options again, troubleshoot, advanced options. Now we're going to click on command prompt, and then this should come up. Now once you're on this, there's a few commands you have to type in. For the first one, it's going to be cd space / windows / system32 / config. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in md space backup. Click on enter again. Now we're going to type in copy space ** space backup. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in cd space regback. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in copy space ** space ... and click on enter. Now we're going to type in a. Click on enter again. Now you can close out of command prompt. And now you can continue to Windows 10. And this should fix your problem.